So my favorite subject while urban sketching, I think, is the colors of the Southern California landscape, because they're so intriguing to me. I'm always fascinated by them, and I just love looking at these colors, the nuanced colors of the seasonal changes in Southern California, and attempting to try to bring those colors to life with my watercolors. So that's it.
Hi, I'm Bianca with the San Diego Urban Sketchers, and my favorite subject to draw is trees, wherever they may be. Palm trees, pine trees, eucalyptus. And I think my second favorite subject is the ocean, so that would be hard.
Why do you like trees?
They're just so sculptural. They're like sculptures.
Oh, okay. Thank you.